Hello everyone, I'm Lonnie and I'm back to share some delicious food with you. Today we're making pineapple sweet and sour tofu. Without further ado, let's get started. First, we'll slice 250 grams of tofu into beautiful long strips. Think of them as getting ready for their catwalk moment. Then dice up 100 grams of pineapple into juicy little chunks. These sweet bombs are gonna be a game changer. For our color pop, we're cutting 20 grams each of green and red bell peppers into diamond shapes. They're like little edible jewels. Don't forget to mince 10 grams of garlic and slice 10 grams of scallion whites. These are our flavor superheroes. Heat up that oil until it's nice and hot, then give our cornstarch coated tofu pieces their golden makeover. We're talking crispy, beautiful perfection here. Quick fry those bell peppers too, just until they're bright and perky. Keep some oil in the wok and toss in our minced garlic and scallions. Watch that aromatic fireworks show. Then in goes the pineapple chunks. Let them release all their sweet, tropical goodness. Pour in 300 milliliters of water, then add 20 grams of tomato sauce, 5 grams each of salt and sugar. This is where our sauce starts getting its personality. Now invite our crispy tofu and peppers back to the party. Let everyone get to know each other in the wok. Finally, thicken it all up with some cornstarch slurry and finish with a drizzle of 5 milliliters of sesame oil. It's like adding the perfect finishing touch to a masterpiece. When it's done, you've got this beautiful combination of crispy, sweet, tangy, and savory all in one dish. Friends, you must try our pineapple sweet and sour tofu. If you like this video, don't forget to let me know. If you find it helpful, please like and share. Thank you all for watching. Until next time.